country, Scotland. What like is it? It's a peat bog, it's a dark forest, it's a cauldron alive, a salt pan, or a coal mine. If you're gay lucky, it's a bonny, bricht, beer meadow, or a park, okay? Or maybe it's a field of stains. It's a tenement or a merchant's hall. It's a Hoose or a humble cot. Prince's Street or Paddy's Market. It's a fistful of fish or a pickle of oatmeal. It's a queen's banquet of roast meats and junkets. It depends. It depends. I dinna ken what like your Scotland is. Here's mine's. National flower, the thistle. National pastime, nostalgia. National weather, smith, har, drizzle, snow. National bird, the crow, the Corbie, la corbeille, le corbeau, moi. How me, voice like a choked laugh, ragbag o' a bird in my black dad's, all angles and elbows and broken oxter feathers, black beady een in my executioner's hood. No bro, but I think I hear a sort of black glamour. Do I no put you in mind of a skating minister, or on the other foot the parish priest, the dirty beast? Madness, auriculous sticks. I live on lamb's eyes and road accidents. Oh, see, after the battle, man, it's a pure feast. My eyes are ever big even for my belly. In lean years of peace, my belly thinks my throat's been cut. Once upon a time, there were twa queens on the one green island, and the one green island was split into twa kingdoms, but no equal kingdoms. Nobody in their right mind would insist on that, for the northern kingdom was cold and small, and the people were low-statured and ignorant and feared of their lords and poor. They were starving. And their queen was beautiful and tall and fair and Frenchified. The other kingdom in the island was large and prosperous, with wheat and barley and fat kye in the fields there, yeomen farmers and wool in their looms and beer in their barrels, and at the mouth of her greatest river, a great port, a glistening city that sucked all wealth to its centre, which was a palace and a court of a queen. She was a cousin, a clever cousin, maybe a wee bit older and maybe no so braw as the other queen, but a queen nevertheless. Queen of a country with an army and a navy and dominion over many lands. All queens, one green island. Caw, caw, caw.